Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another Stampin' Up! Haul. So let's go ahead and get started. Sneak peek of some of the options that are coming up in January in the spring mini catalog. So this one is a zigzag in old olive. What's it called in English? Specialty Rick Rack. I'm reading all the other languages. So it's a Rick Rack. I love it. I love old olive. One of my favorite colors. Speaking of old olive, we've got some old olive here in these dots. This is called the Moody Palette Glossy Dots. And we've got some white. It looks like either cloud color. Yeah, it's cloud color. Does it have the colors on there? It does not. Old olive, and then Secret Sea, maybe? It looks like it's a blue or a black. I'm gonna have to check and see what those are. I'm sure it says in the catalog. Unfortunately, I can't see, or I can't show you the catalog, but I will be able to when it comes out. If you want to see that, make sure you subscribe, and you'll be able to see that when it first comes out. If you are interested in getting one of the catalogs, either the current catalog, the holiday catalog, which is out right now for the rest of the month, or the new spring catalog that's coming out, let me know. I'll send you all three. You just go to BeautyandtheStamper.com and place your order for those. All you have to do is pay for shipping, and if you place an order, you'll also get a discount from me. So this is the Memories and More card deck. It's called Days Like This, and it's just so pretty with the little springy feel. And this makes card making so easy. It makes ATCs, journaling, memory, scrapbooking. You can do so much with these cards. We've got these little guys. Look how cute these are. Not sure if they're punch outs or stickers. It's Easter time mix and match ephemera pack. And again, if you wanted to see me use any of this and find out if they are stickers or punch outs, make sure you are subscribed to me. All my social media is Beauty and the Stamper. So if you look for Beauty and the Stamper, you should be able to find it. Now we've got some new things coming out. For those of you who like to do junk journaling and scrapbooking and just lots of fun, these are the Gear and Texture stamp set and the Gear and Textures die sets. So lovely, lovely, lovely. I like them. So you can stamp that on there, or you can create, you know, maybe in a gold or silver and make some great cogs and whatnot. So love that. This is Prayers and Promises. It's a stamp set. Sending love, I'm here for you. Give it to God. So sorry for your loss. Peace, I leave you with peace. My peace I give unto you. So that is actually scripture there. Praying that the Lord's promises will bring you hope and comfort in the days ahead. Here's some As You Grieve. So it's got the inside as well as the outside. He cares for you always. May you feel God's care and healing as you recover. Keeping you in my thoughts, holding you in my heart, and remembering you in my prayers. This is, I believe, one stamp's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I don't know. Maybe this is multiple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, I counted this as 1. This is 3, I think. But this could also be broken into 3 parts, either by just coloring them and stamping, or actually cutting them and stamping. If you're afraid to do that, don't be. You can always put them right back together, because that is what I love about the photopolymer stamps. This one looks like a fun one. Again, this was the Hope, Love, and Joy. We've got the stamp set and the dies. We've got some hearts we can use for Valentine's. We've got a little scallop This looks like a little ribbon there, a circle, just some great little die cuts there. And then with this, you could put fill the world with, and then you could put joy. You could use the O in joy, hope, love, or you can use any of these little symbols as well. I will be doing a class with this, and I cannot wait to show you everything that my little head has in it. So there's that. Oh, and then these little guys, I have to open this. I don't even have a Valentine's card in mind, but holy smokes, these are too cute not to pass up. We've got some pink hearts, some white hearts, some reddish hearts. There's some little red hot lips in there. And then these, I have to show. This is the one that did me in. Can you see that? It's a little envelope. So cute. So, what great little loose Valentine's assortments for shaker cards or to add to your card with a little bit of glue. So, thought that was very cute. And then, of course, they've got the product of the month, which you can purchase for only $5. And this month is this designer series paper. True Blue Florals, 12 by 12. Again, when you make a minimum purchase, you can buy this for only $5. Let's get that in focus there. So that is it. I hope you like it. It's not a huge haul, but it is a nice haul. And again, I am getting my classes ready. So if you wanted to attend any of my classes, any of my bingo, either in person or online, let me know. Go to BeautyandtheStamper.com to find out. And you can also register for my email, and that is where you'll get my class list. All right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.